What's up, team? So I heard you're ready to go to the gym, but you're feeling a little uncomfortable about what to wear, how to get started, what you need to do. I've been working in a gym for years, and I've seen guys in Crocs, I've seen guys in cowboy boots. I've seen the jeans, the short shorts, the old shorts, the new shorts, the fitness tank, the old football tee. It doesn't really matter what you wear. Now, it is scientifically proven that if you're feeling better in your clothes, you'll be more motivated to go to the gym. You'll be more motivated to work harder as you're in the gym, because you know there's mirrors all around. You're trying to look good, you're trying to feel good. Deion Sanders, the Hall of Fame defensive back, used to always say, when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you play good. This is true. That confidence carries into your physiology. It electrifies your cells. You feel good about life and you want to dominate. So go buy yourself some new shoes. Nike, Adidas, Reebok, Puma. I don't care what kind of shoes you get. Buy yourself some new ones. You'll feel more motivated to use them. Buy yourself some new shorts, athletic shirts, fitness tanks. Maybe you have old shirts that fit you well. Maybe you want to cut off the sleeves. I don't care what you do. You'll see it all in the gym. Find whatever you like, what makes you feel good. Sacrifice some of your weekend spending on some fresh new clothes for the gym, if that'll motivate you to go. Because no matter what we do, we're going to feel a little uncomfortable. I feel uncomfortable going to the bars because I don't do it very often. I don't go socialize like that on a regular basis. It's okay that you're feeling uncomfortable going to the gym. Nobody's really looking at you. Nobody's really judging you. Unless you're not working, unless you're sitting on your phone the whole time you're in the gym. Then I will judge you. Get up off your phone and get to work. How do you get started in the gym though? What can you do if you're feeling a little confused? Hit the treadmills, hit the machines, go talk to a personal trainer. Just say, hey, where can I get started? What can I do? Ask your friends. Maybe they'll show you some exercises. But the first step is showing up. The first step is getting consistent. If this has been weighing on your mind, I need to get to the gym. I really should start going to the gym. You've experienced this thought over and over again. That means this is a real habit that you need to change and that you need to implement in your life. You know, when we're picking up a lot of soda and it's like, okay, I should stop drinking soda. That's God telling us it's time to eliminate that habit. It's time to work on a new habit and replace it. Or maybe it's the cigarettes. Maybe it's the partying. Habits pop up into our mind often to let us know it's time for change. It's time to improve. So if you've been thinking about going to the gym, go sign up for that membership. If it's just exercise, go out for a walk. Get some sun. Now, confidence is a real thing. That's why I'm telling you to go pick yourself up some new shoes. Your feet deserve it. Wear some clean socks. You don't need the socks from 20 years ago anymore. Go get yourself some new socks. Oh, also, go get yourself some new underwear, the compression shorts. These are a game changer to work out in. When you start seeing the results, you start seeing those muscles grow, you start trimming down a little bit, you start feeling good about your body, this is when going to the gym will be no problem for you. You're sleeping better. You're not as anxious. You're moving efficient. You don't have the knee pain. You're more energized all day long. That's when this habit will stick. Stick with it long enough to feel these improvements. It won't take you very long. Just show up regularly, hit the treadmill, hit the machines, move to the free weights when you can, and don't let not knowing what to wear be an excuse anymore. Because in a year, you'll laugh at this question. What do I wear to the gym? Go to the mall, go to Amazon, Nike, Adidas. It's too easy to get some new clothes. It's time for you to get started. No more excuses. There's nothing holding you back but yourself. Yes, you're going to be uncomfortable in the gym, but maybe having a nice athletic outfit will help you feel a little more confident, make you feel like you know what you're doing. Fake it till you make it. Eventually, you will make it. Don't worry about it. Get started. It's time to get the results that you want. It's time to lose that weight. It's time to get the muscles. It's time to do it all. It's time to feel good. Remember, I'm here to ignite your passion. Hit that subscribe button for me. Peace and one love, always.